Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Pisces zodiac nail design. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the ring finger, I did 3 layers of the Revel nail ensemble dip powder. So I apply a thin layer of base and then I poured the dip powder on the nail. Moving on to the pinky nail, I'm doing a 3-color ombre. So this was my first time doing a 3-color ombre with fine glitter. So I applied a thin layer of base and I decided to start off with 2 colors. The reason being I wanted a good time to add the glitter. When doing ombre with fine glitter, it's always better to add the glitter first and then the solid color. I've always noticed that adding the solid color first gave me a harsh line. I'm probably doing something wrong, I don't know, but it's always better for me to add the glitter first, and I didn't want to add the glitter from the start of the ombre. Also, I'm using Hyson blue and glitter blue dip powders. So here is me just trying to figure out when to add the glitter. It took me a while because I didn't know when was the right time to add the glitter. So this is my Pisces inspired nail design and the color of the month is aquamarine, and this was the closest color I could get. As you all may know, Pisces is from February 19th to March 20th and the symbol is that of 2 fishes. I also drew the fishes on another video. I'll link to that video in the cards if it is up. And I'm new to the nail art, so go easy on me. Soon I'll be a professional. Yes, I'm speaking it into existence. So I added the glitter finally. I wonder how many layers I did before adding this glitter. So y'all notice I always start with the glitter, right, when doing the 3-color ombre. So for the 2 layers I did, I started with the glitter first. Okay, so for the index nail, I got the hang of it, so the glitter went on faster, I think after the second or third layer. So when doing the ombre, do you see why I didn't like applying the solid color first and the glitter second? Do you see the harsh line? I'm probably doing something wrong, as I said before, I don't really know, but for me it's better to add the glitter first and then the solid color. So I applied another layer of base and then I sprinkled the glitter. I was going to do the solid blue and the nude, but the ombre looked so good and I have a tendency of messing up ombres when it looks good, so I just decided to pour some clear dip powder on the nail. Now I'm doing a French nail with a color block on the middle nail, so I'm using my French nail cutter. These are the two nail cutters I always use. I'll leave a link below, I got it on Amazon. So I just chose whichever because the both of them work good enough. So I used one of them a while ago on my index nail. I'll leave a link to that video. I didn't find it gave me the rounded French curve that I wanted. So the one I'm using for this design, I used it before and that came out okay. So I decided to use it here and see, and it came out good. It could have been a little better, but you know, I still need to practice. So I applied a thin layer of base and then I poured the ensemble dip powder on the nail. Then using the nail cutter, I do a side to side movement to get the French curve. I did about 3 layers of that. Then I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nail. Now I place some tape off camera and using my Symone blew the powder on the tip area. So I placed base on the nail and poured the powder. I did 3 layers of that and then removed the tape. And off camera I did 2 more layers, and then I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. Now off camera I placed tape again, then using my Symone glitter the powder I did the same thing. So I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back when it's time to encapsulate the nails. Now I encapsulated the nails with some clear powder. I felt like the index nail needed 1 more layer of glitter, so I did that quickly and then I poured the clear powder on the nail. I didn't pour it back into the jar because this is my clean clear powder with little to no glitter in it, so I didn't want to contaminate my jar. So I just encapsulated the rest of the nails. I did a few layers but I only showed 1. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now I'm applying my Mother Wands gel glue and gel top coat to my middle finger. And before curing, I place some rhinestones on the nail. On the pinky and index nail, I applied my shiny top coat and I applied matte top coat to my ring finger and cured for 30 seconds. Now using my Model 1's gel polish, I'm doing a drip nail and I'm also using my McCart detail brush. Yes guys, I feel like a professional now. So I placed some of the gel polish on my palette and then I did the drip nail. I cured for 30 seconds and then I did another layer off camera and cured for 30 seconds as well. Now I top coated the drip nail and cured for 30 seconds. So I wanted to do the Pisces symbol on the nail as well, so I did it with the blue gel polish. And then I poured my glitter, the powder on the nail and cured, and this looked so cute, I must say. When the nails cool down, I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So this is my Pisces the powder nail design. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye guys.